Here's a thought experiment I can't shake. What if reality is computed? Not as a metaphor, but literally. Information processing at the base layer of existence. If that's true, then the rules we call physics are the source code. The constants are configuration files. Quantum quirks, dark matter, impossible coincidences. All of them might just be artifacts of the system. Start with the simulation hypothesis. If civilizations survive long enough, some will gain universe-scale computation. With that power, they can simulate worlds with conscious agents inside. If it's easier to spin up countless simulated realities than it is to host a single base reality, then statistically, I'm more likely to be in one of the many than the one. That's not hand-waving, it's a straight probability argument. A cold, logical bet. And it aligns with something physics keeps whispering. Information is fundamental. Bits show up at black hole horizons. Entropy, a measure of disorder, runs the show. The universe looks less like a rock and more like a record. Now the bridge from mystery to logic. Quantum mechanics. At tiny scales, reality exists as possibilities, wave functions, until a measurement happens. When I say measurement, I mean any interaction that extracts information. Then the wave collapses. One outcome becomes actual. People call that spooky or magical. But it's a rule, rigid and testable. It's not chaos. It's a different kind of order. It's like a program that only renders pixels when you look at them, saving computation everywhere else. In games, that's optimization. In physics, that's the born rule giving you probabilities, and the collapse picking one. So what is a measurement really? Call it truth. The black flame. Not poetry. An assertion that possibilities have been forced to choose. A photon hits a detector. The detector knows. That knowledge is the black flame. Truth written into the ledger of the universe. Before that, many paths. After, one fact. If that sounds like magic, it isn't rejection of science. It's a boundary we're still mapping. Every era has phenomena that feel supernatural until we catch up. Lightning was wrath, then electricity. Infection was a curse, then microbes. Today's version? Dark matter. Dark energy. Roughly 95% of the cosmic budget we can't see, can't touch, but can measure by their gravitational footprints and the way the universe expands. If most of reality is invisible to our current tools, how could I declare the unexplained impossible? I can't. It would be arrogant. In a simulation frame, dark matter could be hidden parameters, the back-end scaffolding shaping galaxies. In a pure physics frame, it's a new particle sector, or modified gravity. Either way, the message is the same. The map isn't the territory yet. There are entire continents missing. Quantum mechanics goes further. Entanglement links outcomes across space instantly. No signals faster than light, but correlations that only make sense if information is the bedrock. It's as if the database writes two rows that must balance, no matter where the rows live. So where does this leave magic? Not as spells, as gaps. Gaps where our models are unfinished, our instruments are blind, and our intuitions are still classical. We evolved to throw rocks, not calculate wave functions. The wave collapses on measurement. Measurement is truth, the black flame, etching one outcome from possibility. That's not dismissing mystery, it's giving it a place to stand while we extend the code comments on reality. If we're in a simulation, physics is the API. If we're not, physics is still the API. Either way, I'm going to keep probing the interface, testing its limits, because every time possibility becomes truth, the world gets sharper. Many theorize that magic is unexplained quantum mechanics and physics. A quantum witch isn't so far-fetched. Think of St. Elmo's fire. Keep an open mind.